Alright, so we've got a Taxi MPU, System 11, this is B. So first off, we had some alkaline damage. Go ahead and try to zoom in here. That totally ate away that middle trace. So as you can see, I did run a jumper there, which is a 30 gauge wire. Replaced the corroded 6821, replaced all 4 ROM sockets, both 6802 sockets, installed NVRAM as well as the socket. U19, we had some pulled traces that I had corrected and also put into a socket. Replaced both sound ROM 10 UF capacitors, all 3 100 UF power input capacitors, as well as a 22 UF reset capacitor. Swapped out the power input 0.156 header. Lamp matrix here, we actually did 2 rivets and bent the third leg over to make up for the burnt up trace that was there before. But we'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. And I've got my soundboard connected here, so I've already got it set to free play. Got the lamp matrix dancing, and none of the coils are on. And we'll go ahead and get this thing into test. So first is going to be music. Oh shoot. Okay, we'll go back through. Oh, actually, never mind. That obviously shows it's interfacing with the soundboard, which is testing my soundboard. And so with Victor's displays, Taxi just shows the 500,000 there in the bottom right, which is not used in Taxi.
Hey, million! Ooh.
But as you saw, the bottom left was working correctly.
Hey.
And all lamps. And we'll go into single lamps here. So just hold that down and fly through them all, which obviously all are working. So these two here are the flipper ground enable. Red is the A side, blue is the C side. This red LED here is the AC select relay. And into the other 8 solenoids here. And these green ones here, these are the special solenoids. And those are being computer driven. And they are also switch controlled. And those are all functioning correctly. And moving into switches. So just going through the matrix diagonally, testing both rows and columns. The last switch in Taxi is switch 58 there. So we are 100% good to go. Go ahead and run through the rest of the audits and adjustments, but there you are. Thank you so much.